Okay, so hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing project number 7 of White Hat Junior Coding. So our project name is Healthy Food Life. So we have to set a background color to gray and make sprites of Jenny, watermelon and Pepsi, burger and carrot. When Jenny touched carrot, its colors changed to green because it is a healthy food. And when Jenny touches Pepsi, it is color because it is junk food. And these are like same. It is because it is junk food and it is color red. And watermelon is healthy food and because its color is green. So when up press, move Jenny 20 pixel north. Okay. Same we have to here. When right press, move 20 pixel. You can see it. When left press, move 20 pixel west. Left press, move 20 pixel west. When down press, move 20 pixel towards south. I am showing. Use your laptop keys to to do that. Okay. Okay, this is a junk food because its color is light red. Oh, it is green. Or, or it is or, okay, which color is this? Okay, you can see it how it is working. So thank you to my channel. Thank you to see my channel.